Hi everyone, I am Fiona. In today's video, we are going to test a EPS shape molding machine that is exported to Europe. This is a 1200 model energy-saving EPS shape molding machine. Before the official material testing, we are testing the EPS shape molding machine with compressed air and hydraulic station. The purpose is to test whether the actions of the EPS shape molding machine can run normally. In addition, dry testing can also test whether the EPS mold, EPS filling guns, EPS ejectors can match with the EPS shape molding machine before the official testing with EPS beam. The material testing is arranged in an EPS foam factory about 5 kilometers away from the EPS machine factory. Below is the detailed testing process. The video shows the 5th mold test. A total of 6 molds were tested this time. Among them, the products produced by the 5th and 6th molds meet expectations. The product of this test is the EPS insulation layer of the cooler box. Therefore, the product of the test needs to be combined with the semi-finished cooler box. As shown in the video, the assembly of the cooler box is very simple. We only need to put the EPS insulation layer between the inner liner and the shell of the cooler box, then forcefully assemble the cooler box. Lock the buckles on both sides, and the product assembly is completed. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions.